What it do, what it is. It's Halloween season. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Big spooktacular. Ignore the blue tape. As you can see, your boy, I got the jersey on. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make jerseys of all qualities, of all kinds. I'm gonna show y'all some jerseys I designed, some jerseys I designed and made, and some jerseys I designed and got somebody else to make. I'm about to show y'all 3 different types of jerseys. First jersey is a sublimated baseball jersey. The sublimation jersey has no texture. You cannot feel it. It is binded with the material. If you have a giant press or a giant printer, you can print out your sublimation sheets, and then you have to have like a polyester base for the application to be applied to the material. You feel me? You get these rich looks though. You don't have to worry about the number of colors or any of that. And it comes out super clean. And depending on your material, it's usually lightweight, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. You get the point. It gets the job done, especially if you want to have bright, bold colors. Most people have to use a third party to get sublimated jerseys done. But say if you wanted to get a white, you get a white sublimation jersey or white polyester jersey. You can order the sublimation sheets of your design online, and all you need is an iron. A little towel, a little iron that joint on. Like you could do this in all white. Imagine the whole jersey all white, and then you just have this design, and then you have your numbers back design, and then your logos here, and then your logos on this side, and boom, you could do that right at home. And then this right here is a DTF hockey jersey. This also, you don't have to worry about the number of colors. Logo on with that. Logo on the sleeve with the number. Same thing on the other side. Now you can do the same process, except DTF can go on any garment. All you need is an iron. If you have a heat press, like I do, I have a heat press in the crib. But if you don't have a heat press, you can use an iron. It's my fully embroidered Dark Knight Drip God York Revolution jersey and a blackout jersey. You get the same look as the first sublimated jersey, but this is embroidered. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I love this jersey so much. Every detail is embroidered. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. We have to make 5 basketball jerseys for a friend of mine that's getting married. He's gifting all of his groomsmen basketball jerseys that have his last name on it, and it says like his last name with athletics and then their number and then the name that they want on the back. He's to accomplish that in 7 to 10 days. The application that we're going to use is DTF. These are the steps. Pick them up, pick them up, pick them up. The steps that I'm about to give you, you can also follow along at home if you want to make a jersey. Step 1. You won't need to design that thing. For this design, he wanted to go with black and red because those are his favorite colors. And he's a Chicago Bulls fan. But for the front of his jersey, we flipped the Bulls font to say Dubs. And then it has athletics on it like we talked about before. It's a black and red inspired Bulls jersey for him and his groomsmen. Step 2. You gotta find a base. I found my jerseys on Amazon. They ship the quickest, and it's the best quality, and it's perfect for DTF. And then step 3, you gotta order the DTF sheets. In my experience, it's best to order the blanks first so that you can measure out how big you want your design. Cut it out on a piece of paper. You can do whatever you need to do to measure it. You can use a ruler, anything. It has to be exact measurements so that when you go to order your DTF sheets, you can get it right on the first try. Order your DTF sheets, get them things here. Boom. Once they get here, it's on and popping. Now all we gotta do is make the jerseys. So let's make the jerseys then. I want y'all to see the jersey that came in from Amazon. So this is a size medium. And look at that, you know what I'm saying? Got good stretch. You know what I mean? It's a little mesh, but nothing wrong with that. You can see through it a little bit, but if you have a t-shirt on, black shirt, white shirt, you'll be okay. I like this, especially for the price. And the quality of it is very decent. So we got 5 of these, and my transfers just got here today. I'm gonna cut these out real quick. Alright, I got everything cut out. Front design, back number, front number, and the names. This is how everything will look like, just laid out by itself. That's the front, and here's the back. Looks good. All we have to do now is put it together. We're gonna iron it together so it binds to the jersey. You gotta bind it to the jersey. Put your sheet down after you like the layout, right? Iron it. Once the iron get hot, obviously. Remove the sheet, let it cool, peel it, repeat the process again with the Teflon sheet on top. And you do it for front and back. And if you want to do it a third time just to make sure everything's good, you can do that. Don't leave your iron on top of your material because you do not want to burn these. They can burn. They will turn brown. Jerseys are done front and back. Names with the numbers. I'm gonna have those all packaged up and then ready for this weekend. Jerseys are completely done. Shout out the Mini, you know what I'm saying? Shout out the Mini in the back. Got them all packaged up and ready to be picked up. So I think they turned out pretty well. And y'all let me know when y'all make y'all jerseys. Yeah, I'm just yapping now. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for tuning in. And this video not over, but whatever, man. I love y'all. That's how easy it is to make a jersey. You can do that. And if you don't want to, you can pay me.
Wow, Dizz spilled the paint again.